Your front door is one of the most important features of your home, serving as the primary line of defense against intruders. In Mandeville, where safety and peace of mind are top priorities for homeowners, upgrading your door can significantly enhance your home's security. Whether your current door is old, damaged, or lacks modern security features, replacing it with a new, high-quality model is an excellent way to boost the safety of your home and protect your family and belongings. Here's how door replacement in Mandeville can improve your home's security. Stronger, more durable materials. Over time, even the most well-constructed doors can wear down due to weather exposure, frequent use, and age. Wooden doors, in particular, are prone to warping, rotting, and becoming weaker over time. This can make them easier for burglars to break through, compromising your home's security. Upgrading to a door made from stronger, more durable materials such as steel, fiberglass, or composite can drastically improve your home's security. Steel doors are extremely difficult to break through due to their solid, robust construction. Similarly, fiberglass doors are designed to be both strong and weather-resistant, providing an added layer of protection against forced entry. These materials not only offer better protection against break-ins but also help to resist the elements, ensuring that your door remains sturdy and effective for years to come. Advanced locking system. One of the easiest ways for burglars to gain access to your home is by tampering with or bypassing your door's locking mechanisms. Older doors may have outdated locks that can be easily picked, bumped, or broken, leaving your home vulnerable to break-ins. By replacing your door, you can upgrade to modern, high-security locking systems. Many new doors come with multi-point locking mechanisms, which lock the door at several points along the frame, making it much more difficult for intruders to force the door open. Additionally, many doors now feature reinforced strike plates, which strengthen the area where the lock meets the door frame. This provides even greater resistance to force and makes it harder for burglars to compromise the lock. For added security, you can also opt for smart locks, which allow you to control access remotely using your smartphone. These locks can send notifications when the door is locked or unlocked, providing an extra layer of monitoring for your home. With these advanced locking systems, you can ensure that your home remains secure and that only authorized individuals have access. Better insulation for added protection. A secure door is not just about preventing break-ins, it's also about protecting your home from the elements. Older, poorly insulated doors can allow air drafts, moisture, and even pests to enter your home. This can affect the overall comfort of your living space and even lead to mold growth or increased energy bills due to heat loss. Newer doors, especially those with insulated cores, help to prevent heat loss in the winter and keep cool air inside during the hot summer months. In Mandeville, where temperatures can vary between seasons, an insulated door helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the load on your HVAC system and lowering your energy costs. Additionally, the better sealing and weatherproofing of a new door keep moisture, drafts, and pests out, ensuring that your home remains comfortable and secure throughout the year. Impact-resistant features. In addition to the strength of the materials and the quality of the locks, many modern doors are designed to be impact resistant. This is particularly important for homeowners in Mandeville, where storms and hurricanes can cause severe damage to homes and structures. Impact-resistant doors are designed to withstand high winds, flying debris, and even attempted break-ins, offering greater protection during extreme weather events. These doors typically feature reinforced glass or laminated layers of material that are much harder to break than traditional glass or wooden doors. With an impact-resistant door, you can feel confident that your home is better protected from the elements and that it will remain secure even during a storm or high wind conditions. Increased visibility and monitoring. Another security benefit of door replacement is the ability to enhance visibility. Old doors may have small or opaque windows that make it difficult to see who is outside your home, which can leave you vulnerable to surprise visitors or potential threats. New doors often feature larger, clearer windows or peepholes that allow you to easily see who is at your door before opening it. Additionally, you can add a security camera or smart doorbell system that provides a live video feed to your smartphone, allowing you to monitor activity outside your home at any time. These added visibility features make it easier to assess potential threats and respond accordingly, whether you're at home or away. Aesthetic appeal with added security. While security is the primary concern when replacing your door, it's also important to consider aesthetics. A new, well-designed door can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, making it both more secure and more attractive. Whether you choose a sleek modern design or a more traditional, decorative look, a new door can complement the overall style of your home. Additionally, replacing an old, worn-out door with a new one can give the impression that your home is well-maintained and up-to-date, which may deter burglars who are looking for homes that appear neglected or easy to break into. A beautiful, secure front door not only improves your home's appearance but also acts as a deterrent to potential criminals. Peace of mind for you and your family. Ultimately, the most important benefit of door replacement is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that your home is secured with a high-quality, durable door and advanced locking system allows you to feel confident in your home's protection. Whether you're at home or away, you can rest easy knowing that your home is better protected from potential break-ins and that you've made an investment in your family's safety. Conclusion. Upgrading your door is one of the best ways to improve your Mandeville home's security. By investing in a stronger, more durable door with modern locking systems, impact-resistant features, and improved insulation, you can significantly enhance your home's safety, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Whether you're looking to increase your home's security, protect against the elements, or simply update its look, door replacement is an investment that provides long-term benefits for both your home and your peace of mind.